constellation is a group of stars that makes an imaginary picture. This constellation is named after an animal. What is it?
Big Bear.
Big Bear. A constellation is a group of stars that makes an imaginary picture when connected. Ancient people imagined that the stars made pictures. They created constellations to remember important people and events. If you live in the northern part of the world, you can see the Big Bear constellation Orion. Big Bear's tail is easy to find.
This tool is used to see stars that are dim or far away. What is it?
Telescope.
Telescope. A telescope can help you focus on an object that is far away so you can see it up close. If you use a telescope, you can see the craters on the moon, planets, stars that are far away.
A galaxy is made up of billions of stars. This galaxy includes our solar system. What is it?
The Milky Way.
The Milky Way. The Milky Way is our galaxy. It is made up of many solar systems, including ours. Remember, our solar system is made up of 8 planets and the sun.
This constellation looks like a hunter. What is it?
Orion.
Orion is the brightest constellation in the winter sky. Orion looks like a hunter. You can spot Orion by looking for the 3 bright stars that make up his belt.
This is a star that is used by sailors and travelers to help them find their way. What is it?
The North Star.
The North Star. The North Star can be seen or heard. It can be used to tell direction. If you move toward it, you're going north. If you move away from it, you're going south. If the North Star is on your right, you're moving west. If the North Star is on your left, you're moving east.
This group of stars looks like a pot. What is it?
The
Big Dipper.
The Big Dipper. The Big Dipper gets its name from a time long ago when people drank water from dippers. Some people think it looks like a water dipper because it has bad handle and a bulb. The Big Dipper makes the tail of the Big Bear constellation. And the 2 brightest stars in the Big Dipper point straight to the North Star. So if you find the Big Dipper, you can find the Big Bear and the North Star.
The end. Thank you for listening.